Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to showcase some beautiful door handle designs. Our curated collection is the fusion of functionality and artistry. Each handle is unique embodiment of style designed to transform the simple act of opening a door into a tactile and visual experience. From sleek and modern to intricately detailed design, our collection has a spectrum of aesthetics to cater to every taste. Crafted from variety of materials including polished metals, rustic woods and contemporary polymers, these handles are not just functionally components but also expression of design innovation. So join us as we explore the world of door handles, where functionality meets elegance and where the everyday door becomes an art of canvas. So friends, I hope you like this collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.